Right Magnetic 60 is a durable commercial product with a similar installation process to traditional vinyl wall covering. Today, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to ensure a high-quality professional installation. We recommend watching this entire video before installing. First, let's prepare the surface. You'll want to make sure you get your wall to a level 5 finish by sanding. We recommend 120 grit paper. Remove the excess dust with a rag. A smooth wall is the key to having a smooth finished product. Once your surface is sanded and smooth, prime the wall. Wait 24 hours for the primer to dry. Next, we'll apply the adhesive. You can use a clay-based or clear wall covering adhesive. Apply the adhesive with a 1/2-inch roll nap. We want to eliminate any debris from the roller, so here's a tip. First, wrap the roller in masking tape and then unwrap it to remove loose fibers. Now you're ready to apply your adhesive. Remember, smooth is the key, so make sure and apply evenly. Now we are ready to install Right Magnetic 60. First, carefully inspect your roll before cutting. Make sure it has not been damaged during shipping. Cut your desired length and then roll it horizontally onto the wall. Rolling the product horizontally will reduce seams in the writing area. Once your roll is up and level, wet the wall with a sponge. Use a wall whiz to smooth out any imperfections. If your wall whiz is old or damaged, put a sock around it so that you do not scratch or damage the product or drywall. Dry the wall with a cellulose sponge. Make sure to remove all water droplets. Any water that dries on the wall will result in ghosting in the finished product. If your application calls for a seam, start by overlapping with a minimum of 2 inches. You can use the top layer to hold the bottom layer in place. Use a straight edge and a single edge razor to cut the seam. When using a blade, it is recommended that you cut with 1/4 the blade length instead of only using the tip. Only using the tip can damage the drywall underneath and make seams more noticeable. Use a seam roller to roll the seam. After 24 hours, your right wall is complete and ready to use. For more information on installing Right Walls and product info, visit rightwalls.global.